the color wheel design. And we are going to eventually paint these in the next art class, but what we have to do is get it ready to be painted. And so you're each going to get a piece of the tag board that we use frequently. It is a little more rectangular than what I have on this example. But the first thing we're going to do is we need to find the center. And so when I say it's a little more rectangular, you're going to put your long ruler down, because we're going to use these long ones this time. And you may or may not be able to get your ruler to line up with this corner and this corner. If it does not line up exactly in the corner, you're going to guesstimate. That means you're going to guess and estimate and try to get it pretty close to the corner here and the corner here. Now, we are not going to draw a line all the way. We just want to put a line somewhere where we think the center is. You may not even have to go quite that long. Then we're going to do the other side. And again, try to go corner to corner as much as possible. And then we need just a very short line to basically show where these two intersect, and that's where we put our dot. So after you have your dot down, you're going to erase everything but the dot. All right, so once you've erased everything but the dot, we're going to divide this into 4 equal quadrants. And in order to do that, we need to draw a line right through the center. And so we're going to make this ruler as vertical as possible, lining up the ruler with the dot. And then we'll draw a line here. Then we're going to rotate our paper and draw a line this way. All right, so once you get this done, we should have 4 equal quadrants. And the next thing we are going to do is we're going to make a V shape in the top left and the top right. And what I mean is right from this dot, we're going to draw a V. Zoom in a little bit. All right, so you can see it there, and a V shape right here. All right, once the V shape is done, we're going to divide this into 3 sections and this into the 3 sections all at the same time. Well, what I mean by all at the same time is I'm going to line my ruler up with the V shape, the left side, and I'm going to draw a line from the top of the paper to the bottom left quadrant. And now I have 2 sections, 1/3, 2/3. And so I'll do the same thing on the other side of the V. Draw it up and down, goes right through the center, and I have 3 sections. All right, so you're going to do the same thing on this V shape. You're going to line your ruler up and draw a line and divide this into thirds and this into the thirds at the same time. And so you will get something that looks like this. And again, this line goes all the way through the center from this side to this side. All right, once you get that done, you are going to, we're going to do 3 circles. We're going to do a small, a medium, and a large circle. So you are going to have on your table, we will hand out some circles. And we're going to start with the large one first. So this is the large, the small, and the medium. And we're going to start with the large one. And we're going to line it up so it looks like it's pretty well centered, about the same space here as here, and on the left and on the right. So again, we're going to guesstimate. Once you get that done, you can trace your circle and then pass it on to the next person if there's someone waiting for the template. Then we're going to go with the medium circle. We're going to trace the medium, and then we'll trace the small. All right, so this is about halfway through the color wheel. The next step is, this is kind of boring to just have 3 circles that section it off. So now we're going to come up with our own design, and we're going to make this interesting. For example, these are some examples that have been done by previous students. Obviously the final product. And so the next step in our designing is we're going to do a design in this section, and this section, and all the way around. So I'm going to do like a triangle shape. I'm going to do 2 triangles in the medium, small, and large section. All right, so once we have that done, you would then erase the part of the circle that is no longer your design. So I would erase right here and right here.
Caden Bowler, you need to stop in the office. Caden Bowler.
And then we're going to do this all the way around. So this is a more completed example of what I was just showing you. I paused it and I did a little bit more here. You can see I don't have everything erased. Like right here, I need to come in and finish up by erasing and erasing and erasing. And so this is our goal for today, is to get this design done so that on the next art class we can start painting these. Make sure you get the design same from small, medium, large, going all the way around.